Good morning, good morning. I am on my way to the train street. Yep, I'm going full tourist mode today. And I've been walking for about 15, 20 minutes. It's a little bit humid. It rained last night. I was actually gonna go to the night market yesterday, but yeah, I wasn't going out in the rain. As you know, this camera is not waterproof, so you do with what you got. I'm almost there, and yeah, let's check it out, because I see it all the time on social media, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try it out too. Yes, full tourist mode. Yeah, I'll probably be there in about 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know, I'm not really looking at the map. I've just been kind of zigzagging since I left the hotel. So yeah, we'll see. So, I think I'm here, like right around the corner. But this is kind of what it looks like in the area. You really got to watch out for traffic here. Traffic is wild. Look at him. Cute. Super wild over here. Fortunately, I found a crosswalk I can cross. But yeah, you gotta keep your head on the swivel. It's wild. It is wild, man. So for those of you that are wondering why you always hear the horns, normally it's when you're about to pass traffic, or if you're at like a four-way, you wanna honk. That way, if somebody else is coming from a different direction, you don't get T-boned or end up in some type of car accident. So you're gonna be hearing a lot of horns. I used to think, when I heard these horns, that, you know, people were just like, hey, get out of the way, you know, all that kind of stuff. And no, it's here, it's a different story. So I think I'm here, if I can get past this traffic. Sintal?
Come in. Come in now.
Come in now?
Come in. 11:20.
11:20?
Yeah. Sit down, số ba em.
Oh, not now? 11:20?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sit down, số ba em.
Cảm ơn. So I guess after 11:20, you're able to record? That's crazy. Like, I showed up at the perfect time by accident, because it's 11:16 right now. Should I get one of these hats? Okay. Yeah, I call it the Raiden hat. So I guess we're here. The famous. There we go. She was waiting for me. All right. Yeah, I also was sitting,
Okay.
as well. Let's see what we got here. What is the coffee? Latte coffee, caramel coffee. The egg coffee, right? That's the one. Okay, yeah, I'll get that one. Yeah. Oh, you got some. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll try the egg coffee.
Egg coffee?
Yeah, it's very famous here.
What?
Yeah, I'll get one. Yes. So yeah, that was quite the walk. I think it took about 30 minutes or so, just zigzagging through the streets. And yes, this place is very famous. Had to come check it out on some tourist shit, you know what I'm saying? But I think it's famous because like people live like right next to it, and it's like really skinny area. Like if you look at it, very skinny. And you know, you got people living here, so I can only imagine at night it gets pretty loud with the train coming. So, and yeah, they only do the train only runs in the evening from what I'm told. But I've seen some videos where it's been during the daytime and people actually, you know, are here and the train's actually running during the day. Yeah. 8. Ah, okay. Yeah, maybe I could. Yeah, later. I might come back later. I don't even drink coffee, but I mean, I'm in Vietnam. Like, you gotta drink coffee in Vietnam. All right, so if you see. Okay. Yeah, sounds good, yeah. So you can kind of see the time that it's going to be here. So the 15:30 is no longer running. Afternoon, I love it. We don't use F's, we use P's. I think, yeah, this works. I can do this. Oh, I understand why people wear this now. Automatically, it's a lot cooler than wearing a hat. It's not as thick, and it covers you 360. Oh, this is, yeah, gotta get one of these. Oh, thank you. Oh, okay. Yeah, you gotta put the chin strap. Yeah, so you can just move around and, yeah, okay. Yeah, I like it. This is the egg coffee. Now, again, I don't drink egg coffee or coffee in general, but yeah, this only came out to about 50,000 dong. So yeah, not bad at all. So I'm just gonna mix it all in. That's some pretty good coffee. Okay, so I was surprised that it wasn't as hot, because when I think of coffee, hot coffee, I'm thinking hot coffee. But this is like warm, so it's not like burning the lips whenever you drink it. Oh yeah. Oh, that is good. Oh. So the train just went by, and yeah, I was not expecting it to come. I thought it was only going to be coming in the evening time and in the morning. I thought lunch and after lunch. Hey. So if you're trying to see the train track, just know that it does come around noon, 11:30. All right, we're at the Hoa Lo. I'm very horrible at pronouncing this, but we're at the prison here in Hanoi. And from my understanding, this was where during the French colonization time, they were holding prisoners here. And then after that, during the Vietnam War, the North Vietnamese were holding prisoners of war here as well. So just kind of take a look here. It's really hard to see, but that's where the hole was. And on the back side. Airborne. Lead the way. See what's upstairs because I'm still hoping to see some information about Ho Chi Minh. There we go. Been looking for you, sir. All right, so that was it for the museum, prison museum, and yeah, all that history kind of made me work up an appetite. So I think I'm gonna go get something to eat. But yeah, I was expecting there to be a little bit more information about Ho Chi Minh. But yeah, it looks like, you know, the French, Americans, they was trying to make it happen over there, and the North was like, nope, not gonna happen today. So yeah, Vietnamese stood their ground, and here we are today in a beautiful country because of it. So, beautiful country. All right, so I've definitely worked up an appetite, and gonna get me some pho. Pho beef? Pho beef? Pho?
Low beef.
Pho.
Low beef.
Beef.
Low beef.
Pork?
Pork.
Pho pork?
Pork.
Okay, come in. I hope I get what I asked for. We'll see. I've only been here a few days, but you don't really see anything about any type of racism or people treating you bad because of what history has shown of Americans in Vietnam and the war, right? Pho?
Okay.
Pho?
Oh, okay. Oh, everything with me. Okay.
I gotta show you. She gave me banh mi instead of pho, but I guess I'm just going to find some. And yeah, since she made it. Oh, come on. Well, I guess I kind of anticipated that. But yeah, I tried to pay her and she was like, no. I gave the sandwich back and I was gonna pay because, you know, she took the time to make it. It was only, you know, 25,000 dong, so wasn't a big deal, but I appreciate it nonetheless. Let's see if we can get pho here. Hello. Yes. Oh, that's what I'm looking for right there. Okay. Pho. Cool. All right. I think I'm just gonna sit over here. Oh. Thank you. Oh, come in. All right, so I think we can get some pho here. Since I've been here about 3 days, I still haven't had any pho since I got here this time. So yeah, I definitely have to get that and see what it's hitting on and the prices. I want to show you guys like how affordable it is to actually be here. It's, yeah, I can't stress it enough. I know I said it in a previous video, but I mean it. So 25, 35, 45,000 dong for some pho or some banh mi or really any local food, you're gonna get for under 100,000. And it's gonna be plenty enough for you to be able to get full off of it. For me, like, they have buffets here, for example, and the buffets are about, from what I saw, anywhere from 400 to 500,000. And no, I'm not really feeling that, just for the fact that I don't really eat that much anymore. So if I eat a lot, it would be like how I used to eat back in the day. Like, I used to eat a lot, but now I don't. And yeah, it's crazy, because if I go to a buffet, I'm not gonna get my money's worth. So I might as well, you know, just get a single meal and work with that and save that extra 300, 400,000 dong. So, and yeah, typically I'm only eating once to twice a day. So the more active I am, the more I eat. And yeah, I've been walking around all day today, so probably have two meals today, 2 to 3 meals. We'll see. Not sure if I need to walk up and ask somebody. But yeah, after this, I will probably just go and go back home, take a shower, chill, and go out tonight. I did get invited to go out tonight, so. All right, so we got pho here, or pho, as we like to say. I'm not sure which one it is, but I think it's pho. But oh yes, that is going to be good. I don't know how much it's going to be, but not going to be pricey at all. Extremely confident in that. Right now, it's really hot. Oh man. So typically, I don't like to do cilantro, just because I don't like the way cilantro changes the taste of the entire meal. Like, you put a little bit in and you're gonna notice a difference immediately. And it's all right, but I prefer it without it. So. Oh, it's gonna be hot. Yes. Delicious. Okay, so for the pho, in the water, 65,000 dong. Really good price, really good price. It's delicious. Come on out here. Oh yes, oh perfect. Come on, come on. Yes, got the fan on me. Yeah, it's a little warm out today. It's a little warm out. But yeah, this fan, it's also cooling off my food, which is really nice, because it was super hot when it got here. Like, I touched the bowl and I was like, oh. So, yes, 65,000, can't beat it. You can't beat it. And I don't know if you know, but this is actually quite a bit. Like, a lot of noodle, a lot of beef, you know, like this is going to fill me up for 65,000. So at the African restaurant, when I said it's not a lot, in my previous video, I said that it's 120 for the jollof and chicken. This is half the price. So just think about that. Oh no, I'm okay, I'm all right, thank you. Oh no, thank you, I'm all right, come on. So yeah, half the price for this, all good. All right, so that's gonna close it out for today. I am just walking by the water here. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna go down there. They have a little pathway. So you can kind of see it during the day. Good area to just chill, you know, relax a bit. So the coffee this morning, that was 50,000. And then for the museum, that was another 50,000. And for the meal I just ate, that was 65,000 with the water included. So overall, not bad. Plenty of walking around, plenty of exercise. The sun's not really out, so usually when the sun's out, I get a pretty nice headache. So I've been trying to avoid that as much as possible. Xin chao. But yeah, it's been good. Taking a little walk and gonna head back to the hotel. So thank you guys, I appreciate it. And yeah, have a good day, good night, wherever you are in the world. And I'm going to have a great day myself. Peace, love, and happiness.